So you have different techniques or groups of techniques. You have those dynamic meditations, you have the still meditations, you have guided meditations, you have work meditation, or how they call meditation, I don't remember how they call it. But, well, the meditation that happens in your day life, whenever you feel like trying this, is great, like you slow down every movement you make. You just slow down. For instance, you are brushing your teeth, and then you slow down the movement of brushing your teeth. You slow down your breathing. That's the key point. You are breathing normally, then you say, you slow down. I'm working at the computer. You slow down the movement. You slow down the movement. As you slow down the movement, your mind follows your body and it slows down also. This is a meditation that you can practice now as you listen to me, whatever, every moment in your life. Then if you have, you're practicing some kind of yoga or meditation, guided meditation, so that the person, the instructor, will guide you to relax and to really be quiet. Go slow by slow. They say, lay down, close your eyes, relax your, and so you follow these instructions and you go plunging into this silence. Okay, because in the end it's only stop this conversation in my head. Stop. Go easy. As full as I am, I want to be clear. Then you have the still meditation that the most popular is, I told you the other day, was the Vipassana meditation. That's the Buddha meditation, where you look for a space where you can be absolutely still, frozen. And then you just observe the air coming in and out of your nose. Follow the air as much as you can, and then outwards. Okay? It's very simple. And then you have the dynamic meditations that puts you, exhausts use a little bit your body to calm down your body, because you don't have body and mind. You have one system called body-mind or mind-body. It's one thing. So if you calm down your body, if you slow your movement, your mind will slow as well. Okay, so it's the same. So the dynamic meditation, for instance, is the Osho dynamic meditation. You start breathing and then you start chaotic releasing, and then you start and then you stop and you stay. It's like a reward for all the effort that you have been doing. So this, it's like, I found this comfort to be still. You see how good it is to be still? Huh? That's why the dynamic meditations brings you to this, I'm looking for this space where I can be still. Because I've been so much strength, I put so much strength in the dynamic movements that I want to be still. So when arrives the moment to be still, I want, this is paradise. So we start to have glimpses of this stillness of body and mind as well. Or you can have this beautiful, I like very much this Nataraj meditation. You spend 45 minutes dancing. But it's not only dance, it's not the dancing as you you have learned dancing, choo, 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 choo. No, it's dancing that you are not the dancer. You are the dance. You just allow the dance to express to yourself, to your body. You don't guide the movements. You just allow the music, and the music comes, you say, ooh, 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 and you allow the dance to take your body. And for 45 minutes, nobody is judging you, nobody is watching you, nobody is not right, it's not wrong. You have 45 minutes to dance. And then after 45 minutes you say, I want to be still. And then it's, oh, this reward to be still and lay down. These are two different kind of dynamic meditations, but there are many, plenty. Choose yours.